customer complaint, hear a loud popping noise whenever they shift it. So I got the vehicle all jacked up, and we're going to try to see if we can hear it. Okay, I got it started. And doing this with the engine off, if you're ever testing like transmission noise, I know it goes without saying, I can run this through. And yeah, see, I don't hear anything, and I don't plan to. Transmission noise, you know, especially if you hear like a popping or something like that, you definitely want to check it with it actually running, so that when you put it in drive, you can actually start messing with those mounts, because that's what I'm assuming. These and the Lincolns are the same thing. I think it's like the MKC, I do believe. Same thing. I just, for some reason around here, they go through a lot of engine mounts and transmission mounts, torque mounts. Okay, so let's try this reverse. Oh, and the whole thing's shaking. Let's see if we can hear that. Let's try it up here. Yep, and I'm seeing it too. So I'm gonna set you guys up so that you guys can, I'm watching a lot of movement over here, so you're gonna see what it looks like when a torque mount goes out, because I guarantee that's what it is. Now that I got that, I'm gonna go remove that bottom plate down there, and then we'll go underneath there again and try to check out to see what that, because I'm watching the engine do this, as hopefully it showed up in the video. I had like my head up there looking, and I just seen everything underneath here moving. So coming down here, here's the oil pan, here's the turbo tube, and this is the torque mount. So I'm gonna, and I can look up in there, and it looks gnarly. And let's see if I could just shake it. Yeah, moving it with my bare hand. So let's look at this here. Now let's get that swapped out. Got the new part in, which is this thing right here. Looks really nice. It's gonna go in like this. 15 millimeter. We'll see if that does it. If you come over here, I got a chunk of wood supporting the transmission and everything above me. So it relieves pressure off of this. Okay, that's loose. Now let's get this bracket off. That just looks like one, and then a 15 millimeter right there. Got it. So I had to jack the vehicle up, or jack the engine and transmission up higher to get to this bolt. Oh, now it's time to compare the two. Pretty much the same, except this one's broke, this one's not. We'll adjust that later. I'm gonna start with the hard bolt, which the bracket goes like this. So it's this bolt right here, what we're gonna be working on. Can't really show you. That should be good. So I'm going to finalize this video by saying that it did take care of the front and back swing, but it's doing this. So what that means is I checked the motor mount, which is on the front left side. It's good. I'm going to be replacing the transmission mount next to be in the next video. And it's buried, absolutely buried. Wipers got to come off, this and that, airbox all the way down. So it'll be a pretty interesting video for you. So we'll go and get that ordered, and like, subscribe, and when the video pops up, hit the notification and it'll tell you when it's posted. Thanks for watching.